you want to play with your cup? Oh no! Show everyone what you do with your cup. Instead of drinking out of it, what do you do with it? You hit it? Yeah? What else do you do with it? You bang it! Woohoo! It's not a drinking cup, it's a toy! Do you like your toy? Oh, you got pretties in your hair? Some pretty little hair clips to hold your hair off your face? Yeah. What a pretty boy. What a smart, beautiful boy you are. Show everyone how you play with your cup. Woohoo! Here I go, Mom. I'm playing with my cup.
Before there was hair color, now there is Inoa, the hair color of the future. Odorless, with no ammonia. Optimum comfort, optimum respect to the hair. Inoa, exclusively in salon. Visit Inoa.ca. Inoa. Every day to help people build their dream.
You gonna do it again? You gonna put the cup in your mouth? Or was one time too many? You're so funny.
And it's not always easy to get the calcium you need from our diet to help prevent it. There's Nitrate Plus. As
Oh.
our bones begin to lose calcium faster than they can replace it. Nitrate Plus provides calcium plus vitamin D and other minerals to help maintain strong bones and prevent osteoporosis. It's never too early or too late for Caltrate.
Let's talk about protecting our fresh water. There are two things we need to be concerned about: quantity and quality. The amount of
What a handsome face. You can give me a smile.
because of global climate change, and the growing population will use more water. What's left is being polluted by industry and our own activity.
Hi, little boy. Whee! You gonna jump for mommy? You having fun? Show me what fun you're having. Show me how much fun. Whee! Jump, 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 jump. Yeah. Smile.
Jumps and then lifts his legs up. Well, oh, look at you, flat baby.
Hi, Briggs. Hi. Buddy, what are you doing?
He's getting tall.
You gonna jump for mommy? You're just gonna hang out.
The computer's not working, right?
No. I love you. I love you. Briggs, I love you. Love, love, love you.
Your hair was exactly the same when you were little.